Most people work hard their entire lives, yet they still struggle with money. It's not because they don't earn enough, but because they were never taught how to manage it. In today's world, financial freedom belongs to those who understand money management, investing, and how to make smart financial decisions. In this video, you'll learn powerful money lessons that can change how you budget, save, invest, and build long-term wealth even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, financial literacy is the real wealth. Money doesn't reward effort alone, it rewards knowledge. Being financially literate means knowing how money flows, how debt works, how investing grows your wealth, and how the decisions you make today will shape your future tomorrow. Most people focus only on their income, but wealthy people focus on building systems and having a strategy. If you don't understand money, it will control you. Once you do, you gain control over it. Next, budgeting is a wealth tool, not a limit. So many people think budgeting is about restriction, but it's really about direction. There's a simple rule. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will just disappear. Smart budgeting allows you to save consistently, invest intentionally, and spend without feeling any guilt. A budget gives every single dollar a purpose, and that purpose is how true wealth begins. Lesson 3 is that saving money creates security and power. Before you even think about investing, you have to build a stable foundation. Saving money protects you from debt, financial stress, and making emotional money decisions when you're under pressure. An emergency fund gives you options, and having options creates confidence. That confidence then leads to making much better financial choices. Saving isn't weak. Saving is having control. Now let's talk about investing, because investing is how wealth is truly built. Saving protects your money, but investing is what grows it. For beginners, investing should be simple. Learn the stock market basics, focus on long-term investing, and avoid all the hype and speculation you see online. The stock market rewards 3 things: patience, consistency, and education. Passive income is not instant income. It's the result of smart money decisions made repeatedly over a long period of time. Think in terms of years, even decades. That's how real wealth is built. Lesson 5 is that systems always beat willpower. Most people fail financially because they rely on motivation, which comes and goes. Smart people rely on systems. This means setting up automatic savings transfers, scheduling your investments, and planning your major expenses in advance. Systems remove emotion from the equation, and emotion is the biggest enemy of building wealth. When your money runs on autopilot, you stop making bad decisions under pressure. Finally, remember that wealth is built by making small, smart choices every day. Wealth is not created by one big lucky move. It's created by your daily spending decisions, your consistent saving habits, your long-term investing behavior, and smart financial planning. These small, smart choices compound over time, just like money does. You don't need to be perfect. You just need intention and consistency. This channel is here to help you make smarter financial decisions, understand personal finance, build wealth responsibly, and move closer to financial freedom. If this video gave you some value, please like, subscribe, and stay connected for more money advice and investing content for beginners. Your financial future isn't decided by luck. It's decided by the choices you make today. Choose smart money. Choose growth.